today I am making one of my recipes that's pretty easy for the crock pot. I am just putting in some meatballs that were frozen. I took them out last night. I vacuum seal them, I throw them in the crock pot. Then I'm going to put in some home canned pineapple. And then typically I do my own home canned barbecue sauce. It's a little bit more runny than this barbecue sauce, but this was in the back of the fridge. We don't grab this often, and I wanted to use it up. I need to get some stuff out of my fridge, so today I'm going to be putting this in with the pineapples and the pineapple juice. And then later on, we will make some rice, and we'll serve that over rice. And it's a quick, easy meal. I'm pretty busy today, so I just wanted to do that right away this morning. So I thought I'd just show you how I do that. And these are still a little bit frozen, but they'll be fine. And since these are pre-cooked and it is almost 8 a.m. this morning and we'll eat this for lunch, I will just probably put this on low. And then to open this, I use this wonderful can opener. I will link it below. Or you can go to my Amazon store. My Amazon store is all about harvest. I want to save some of this to get this liquid out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this on first. Then because you always want the liquid, I'm going to dump some of that liquid in there so we don't waste it. It's pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'll do it again. This is all going to go in here. And that pineapple juice just kind of gives it something sweet. And then I'll stir this up, and that will be good to go. I don't think I needed this big of a spoon, because this is a smaller crock pot. And as this warms up and as these meatballs thaw, I'll come out here and I'll stir it some more. But then this is really good, and then when we make the rice for this, we spoon some of this liquid over the rice, and it's perfect. Normally, like I said, I use the barbecue sauce recipe. I can a barbecue sauce recipe. I think it's the one from Ball, and that is what I put on here. But again, because we're trying to use stuff up from our fridge, I just grabbed this instead, and so that's how easy it is.